Hey there, it's Justin here from the Book Like a Boss team, and in this video, I'm going to run you through all the different settings that you have available in your team account. So right now we're on our team account dashboard. Let's quickly go to settings right here, then profile details. In this page, you'll see this is where you can change or customize your currency, your language settings, your time zone, and here you can select your industry. If you scroll down here at the very bottom, you'll see you can also change your favicon. Now, if you go here on the left sidebar menu and you click on photos, you'll see all these main photo options that you can customize as well. You can change your team's profile and cover photos, as well as your team member's default profile and cover photos. You can also add an admin logo right here. And as usual, we have here your socials section where you can put all your team's social media links. All right, bosses, those are the basics and everything you're going to need to know to get started with your team account settings. I hope that helps.